So here's an error message that you will see after you reinstall the operating system on a Raspberry Pi. Warning, remote host identification has changed. And what this means is your remote host has been stored in a known hosts folder in SSH. So basically it knows that this IP is matched to this host. But after you reinstall that operating system, that data will change. And so for your own protection, it thinks that it's possibly being spoofed, so your operating system blocks you from doing it. And I'll show you how to fix this. And let's go ahead and open up that file. Now that we've opened up the known hosts file, we'll scroll down to the IP address of the machine. Now this is the one that I just reinstalled Raspbian on, so this is the one I'll want to delete. Press Ctrl-K and it deletes the line, and then we'll exit. And now, when we go to SSH in, again, it shows that it's a new machine, and it asks if we want to save this key. And we'll select yes. And that's how you fix this very common error with connecting.